Welcome, parents, to our first episode of our bite-sized tutorials for you this year. My name is Ms. Gillum. I am part of Team Patriots, and I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how you can check your child's grades and also give some tips for the conversation that you can have with your child. So first, if you don't already have the website bookmarked, first, if you go to the Bentonville School website and you go to the Parents tab, and it's loading. Okay, and then you go down to grades, check right here, it's in the G's, click that. And then for 5 through 12, you're gonna pick this one, and it's going to send you to the Home Access Center called HAC. So when we talk about HAC, this is what we are talking about. First thing you must do is change the school district, make sure you change it to Bentonville. And then your username will be your email that you signed up for when you enrolled your child in school. It's the email that is in TAC for us to email you. And then your password, if you do not know this, you can email your homeroom teacher and they will have your passwords login. So once you do that, you'll be able to see all your child's grades, and you will be able to see also your child's attendance on those. And now here is some quick tips from the teachers of how you can use this time. One, we recommend that you set up a weekly meeting with your child. Once a week, discuss their grades, ask them what they're doing in class, and what they can do better to improve their grade. Some students that are doing well, maybe they could still improve their grade. What could they do to extend their learning? We want you to focus on a growth mindset. Even if they have a low grade, they can still improve their grade somehow. Help them create a plan of studying. To talk with their teachers and focusing in class are the top things. In math class, remember, they can retake a test, but they have to do the work prior to being able to retake a test. So if you have any questions or if you need your login information, please reach out to your teachers. We are here to help. Have a great day.